Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect WIX to Claude. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to go here to the bottom left hand side. You need to click on settings, and once you are here in settings, you are going to go to connectors. Here you are going to select browse connectors and you are going to look for WIX. So you're going to click here on WIX. You simply need to click on connect. You're going to log in, and that's how easy it is to connect Claude with WIX. Before you get started now, under tools here, you can see the current capabilities of Claude, meaning what Claude can do with your WIX website. Right? And these things, they don't really look very descriptive, but we can guess actually from the name of these tools what kind of actions Claude can take on a WIX website. So we can search the documentation, we can read articles, we can see basically what kind of websites we have, we can use the site API, we can also manage the WIX site, and from there you can also prompt Claude, you can have a conversation, and you can discover a lot more capabilities. That's all for this video. That's how easy it is again to connect Claude to WIX. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description, and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.